In this video, we will show you how to set up the OpenVPN version of the NordVPN application for macOS. First, download the application from our website. Open nordvpn.com/download in your browser and click Download OpenVPN. Now, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the nordvpn.pkg file you have downloaded. A new window will pop up and guide you through the installation process, prompting you to enter your password. After the installation finishes, open your Launchpad, find the NordVPN icon and click on it to launch the application. You will see a pop-up explaining our privacy policy. Click Agree and Continue. In the application window, click the Login button below the displayed map and enter your NordVPN credentials. To connect to a server, press the Quick Connect button at the bottom of the window. A window will appear asking for permission. Read through the explanatory message, click Got it, and if needed, enter your Mac's password and press the OK button. A green pin on the map will show a successful connection. Browse safely and securely with NordVPN.